Hi, everyone. It's the end of day one. How exciting.
Yeah. How was that? I had a blast today. Hearing the talks from everybody, it was great. Yeah,
I mean, we
it's,
had Stan the Snake, right? We
yes.
had invisible walls. We had the tests as classifiers. We had cybersecurity in IPython notebooks. I've been running around all day, and I still have been learning stuff today, and that's just been fantastic.
Yeah, I've been fascinated by everything. It's been so great. And speaking of so great, all of y'all have been submitting photos to us all day, and these are awesome. I love that we get to do this during a virtual conference. Um, we do have some news. You might have seen a note in the announcements channel. There were some photos between about 2 and 4 p.m. Pacific that were lost. If you would like to resubmit those for our final collage that we'll do tomorrow, um, there should be a Jotform link, I believe, in the announcements channel. Go ahead and fill that out and upload the photo if you could. Thank you. Um,
Yeah, we want to give some special thanks just as part of our wrap up today. The Python Software Foundation has been a tremendous help with our organizing and our planning. They've given us resources, they've given us guidance, they've given us grants. They have really been crucial to our ability to put this conference on. And so we just want to give a special shout out. And we had the distinct pleasure of having the DNI work group this morning, which was also just a wonderful and really interesting panel.
Very great. Speaking of thanking folks, I would like to thank Microsoft again for helping put on this event. Their booth, I swung by it today. It was fantastic. Learned a whole bunch of stuff that I just didn't realize. I had known about it in my periphery, but I didn't realize it. Super helpful. So yeah, big shout out to them. I'd also like to thank our community sponsors, Real Python and API Metrics. And also, I'd like to thank our publishing sponsor, No Starch Press. Just a reminder, you can get 25% off of all titles when you use the coupon code PyCas, PYCAS 25 at nostarch.com. Also, we have, I think it's six vouchers for $20 off ebooks. We're going to pick attendees at random, so check your emails after the event to see if you have won.
It's kind of funny to keep coming up here and saying thank you, but really this conference, as much work as Britt and I put into it, this conference is also put on by so many other people. And so we just want to, once again, for today, for all the effort that happened, thank the speakers for their wonderful talks, the volunteers who were running around and helping with questions, and our MCs and our Q&A facilitators, the rest of the organizers who have been sort of in the periphery, but have been doing a tremendous amount of work. And then also you, our attendees. This conference, we put this on for you. And so we're thankful for your presence here and that you can join us today. We hope to see you tomorrow as well. There's still plenty of stuff to happen. But before we get to what's happening next, just another reminder, stay in touch with us. If you're on social media, use the hashtag PyCascades. We're on both Twitter and Instagram as @PyCascades. Our website with most of our information, if not all of it, is 2022.pycascades.com. And then feel free to reach out anytime to conduct@pycascades.com for conduct-related stuff, and then organizers@pycascades.com for just general questions and thoughts for us. So what's next? Here we're at the end of day one. Let's look at what we still have left for this conference. Tomorrow, we're going in the afternoon, we're going to be doing mentored sprints. So we have, we're fortunate enough to have maintainers from each of these 4 projects. We have Plumer, VisPy, Openverse, and Pursued by Bear. And maintainers from each of those groups will be leading sprints to help people dip their toes into these projects or open source in general. So if you have not yet had an opportunity to contribute to open source or just want to help squash some bugs with some open source projects, it's a great opportunity to do so with the maintainers right there, where you can ask them questions and sort of collaborate on stuff. And also, the party does not stop just yet. In about half an hour, we're going to have our social in the evening. We had one last night that was in Spatial Chat, and it was just a blast. The link is right there. That's spatial.chat/s/PyCascades 2022. We'll put the link up in the welcome page of Venulus in just a few minutes here. And we'll also have some game breakout rooms in Venulus this evening that you can join if you're interested in gaming with some of the, like playing party games with some of the folks here at the conference. All that to say, I think that's it for day one. We're so thankful that you were here. We're looking forward to day two. There's a bunch more that's still to come. So thank you all for joining us.
Yes, thank you so much.
See you tomorrow or tonight.
Or tonight, yeah.